Hi, Brenton here from Squidezy. We're going to show you how to clean squid today using our Squidezy tool. So we've got three nice lovely squid here, nice and fresh. Big tip, get them as cold as you can. So now we need to find the right Squidezy tool for the right size squid. They come in three sizes, big, medium, small. I think we'll use the medium one and we'll clean this little fella here. Just put him out flat on the board with your Squidezy tool. Slide it in the body all the way through till the end. There's a little bit of a resistance there, and once we get it to the bottom, put your finger in that hole, which is a finger grip, grab the squid by the back of the eyes and give it a gentle pull, and everything will come out at once without breaking the ink sac. Okay, so we'll put that one aside. So the next thing we do, there's a little feather in here, we need to pull that out. So with the Squidezy tool still inside, grab the little feather and discard it. Next, stand the squid upright. Using another Squidezy tool, see the little notches? What we do is we put it over the tip of the squid and rock it back and forward like so, just to get it started. And then we peel all the skin and all the wings off in one hit. Simple as that. And we'll use that later. This is what I think the best part of the tool is. Remove the Squidezy tool, lay your squid tube flat with these little notches here, like little fork pieces. Pop them in the tip of the tube, give it a gentle push, and you'll see we've just turned that tube inside out, so we can remove any other organs that get left behind. You won't get that yucky taste or that chewy squid. Use your knife, clean it off. Here we have a perfect squid tube ready for the barbecue or to make calamari rings. And that's all, that's as easy as that. Get yourself a Squidezy tool. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching.